Hello, this is Dewey Melly from Havre, Montana. It's on Havre Holiday Village Wiki, and today is Saturday, June 5th, 2021. And let me have to take a look at your the Tulip Vision Line DT running MS-DOS 6. Let's get started. Once you have to take a look at it, you got the Tulip Vision Line DT 4/66. You have to go use your system key lock right here. You have to do it that way. And there is a floppy drive that we come with the floppy disks on it. That's pretty cool. And look, oh, there's a logo. The floppy drive. Look on the back. There are lots of plugins on there. That's pretty neat. And there are lots of, you got the mouse, printer, keyboard. There's eventually with a plug-in cord on it. And what's inside of that BIOS thing? And you got this thing. You got the Intel process. As you came with it. That's the best thing I have to do. How much we get this thing at the time right here? And what it sure does is I got the thing have to run with MS-DOS. And this thing have to do right now. Because that was the best thing I had to do it right here. So as you have to do, you get the close-up view. And you have to see it that way. And this is a special hard drive. It's not weird. And what this does is, all your parts of it inside your computer. Make sure you have to do it. This is on your back for now. And there's a top. But I don't have an idea. And this is back in 1994. I basically have to do it for now. We'll see you in another video. Okay, sir, about ready to go. We got the Tulip Vision DTs are about to set up, which is, you got all those floppies on your hard drive. This thing had to do it like that. So curiously. But at the end, we only have to make sure for this thing, using it does. You got this one floppy disk, and you have to came in. And these several program manager, this thing, yeah. And then they're gonna have to run Windows 3.1 on your MS-DOS. So that is next. You got this desktop area about to ready to go here. That smells something new. Alright. All we have to do it right here. Up here, we got the monitor powered on. Take that this sleeve thingy out of here. This doesn't have to run with MS-DOS. This is about the here. I'm using have to run on this keyboard, not this. Yeah, you got the serial mouse. This way gonna have to make it look easier. Okay. Let's boot it up the machine for an MS-DOS 6.20. I'm gonna run MS-DOS on here. And I'm gonna have to do it right there. And I'm not just have to figure it out because what you got to do right now, you got this thing, and I obviously got this thing, have to do it right here. I'm gonna have to type version right now. I'm gonna hit ER. This is MS-DOS version 6.20. That should be came with it. But I might have to get this thing. I'm going to type directly to this. And this thing I'm going to have to do right there. And I wish we would get 9 million applications. design. That's what I'm going to do right here. But all we have to do is there, they're have to go ahead and type CD window. Oh, right here. We're going to have to type CPP. What do we got to do right now? To do right here. There's a big they have to type for these commands. First thing, have to get your floppy drive. Obviously, make it happen to easier or easier things. Okay, what I got to do here, you're going to type A for your floppy drive. And you're going to have to type install. You got copyright 1992. That became with it. I'm going to type install and hit OK. And hit yes. And the installation is complete. So I'm going to type directory. And we'll go ahead and type the magic word design. We'll hit enter. I get to use in this the title card. And this thing have to make it easier, but usually I thought. Right now, I usually have to just I have to get this custom built computer. Let's see, it's by Riversoft. I'm going to have to click on this mouse. I'm going to have to click right this. So this is your menu screen here. All you have to do is type Alt. I gotta have to do the walls on it. This kind of looks like a MS Paint. All you have to use the right thing. Yet. Because you have to come here. Now, can you guess which one it is? It's a square! But I'm gonna use my door. You're gonna have to draw this picture. I wonder. There. That looks like a familiar. I'll get your doorknob right now. See? I'm going to have to draw your roof. Now I'm going to have to draw your window. Now I'll go to the pathway. Then I'm going to do the hills. This is what it looks like. And the left. Ta-da! Oh, nice. I bet you we got to do this thing. You have to need from the computer. I'm gonna hit the escape key. We get this thing, and usually you have to run with MS-DOS on here. I wish we were back in the late 90s computers. Have to pick it up, but which one it is. I got to do a paint. I'm gonna do a color. Now, which color should we choose? Light blue, right. What comes next with this paint? I can, for example, go with the case official with green on it. I can see his go to navigational controls. I can also go to my red view for this roof. I'm gonna want to go on with the official yellow thing. I'm gonna do a purple door. Where's that purple thing? There they are. And I can also go on with the a black thing. But one more thing I have to tell you. I'm going with the pink one. You figured it out. I went to the Blue's Clues house. Okay, we'll go ahead and type exit for MS-DOS. I hope to see you again for later. So, this is Judy Melly signing off on Saturday, June 5th, 2021. Goodbye.